Hello dear students, welcome to Wallah English channel. Just we started signals and system in comprehensive manner. Hello everyone, welcome to Wallah English channel. Now tell me, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear now? Tell me guys. Okay, now tell me guys, am I audible properly? Audio and video both are clear? Okay, so we are studying signals and system in comprehensive manner. Just we completed only lecture number 1, in which we have seen basic, or we can say syllabus of the gate for signals and system, and we started chapter number 1, introduction to the signals and system, in which we have seen what is the basic definition of signal, then types of signal based on nature of the variables. On x-axis we are considering time as an independent variable, and on y-axis we are considering amplitude, which is dependent variable and depends on the time. This time can be continuous or it can be discrete. Similarly, amplitude can be continuous or it can be discrete, guys. So depending on that, there are 4 types of signals based on the nature of variables. Based on nature of variables. So let us quick revise yesterday's topic, guys. So sampling process, 2 important process we have seen: sampling process and quantization process. What is the sampling process? Process of converting continuous time signal into the discrete time signal is known as the sampling process. Simply what you have to do, replace this t with nts. If you replace t in the continuous time signal with n into ts, then it will convert into discrete time signal x of n. This is the general notation to represent continuous time signal. Round bracket and t, this t is an independent variable time, and in discrete times here square bracket and n is integer value only, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on, and square bracket is there. Here ts, what is ts? So ts is a sampling period in second, which is equal to 1 upon fs, inverse of the sampling frequency, and fs is the sampling frequency in hertz, or unit is, we can say, samples per second. How many samples you are collecting in 1 second? It is nothing but your sampling frequency. One more process is there, it is quantization process. So quantization process is the process of converting continuous amplitude signal into the discrete amplitude signal. Okay, now let us continue further, guys. Today we are going to see some standard signals in continuous time as well as discrete time, and this is part 1. So what we are going to study? Some standard elementary basic signals. With the help of these basic signals, we can we can represent the complex signals. So we will see standard signals in continuous time as well as discrete time also. Continuous time signals and discrete time signals. Okay. So continuous time signals, guys. So number one is step function. Number one is step function. So how to represent this step function mathematically and the graphically? Continuous time. First we are considering all the continuous time signals, and signal number one is step function. So mathematically it is represented by x of t. X of t is equal to a into u of t. A into u of t. Okay. And here a into u of t, which is equal to a into u of t, is amplitude is a. This indicates amplitude is a for t greater than 0 and amplitude is 0 for t less than 0. Then what about amplitude at t equal to 0? So here at t equal to 0 there is a sudden change in amplitude or discontinuity in amplitude. That's why at that time, that is t equal to 0, amplitude is not defined. See, this is the mathematical representation. Now how it looks graphically, guys. Now let us write graphically. So this is origin. Now you can see, guys, for t greater than 0, this is origin, t equal to 0. Now this is for t greater than 0, positive value of time, and this is t less than 0, that is negative value of time. That is negative value of time. For t greater than 0, amplitude is a, guys. For t greater than 0, here amplitude is constant a, and for t less than 0, amplitude is 0. So you can see, guys, here at t equal to 0, there is a sudden change in amplitude. There is a sudden change in amplitude from 0 to a. There is sudden change in amplitude from 0 to a, guys. So at t equal to 0, you can say amplitude is 0 or you can say amplitude is a. This is completely wrong, because there is a sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 0. That's why we cannot define amplitude at t equal to, because there is a discontinued amplitude. So this is the graphical representation of a into u of t. And if a is equal to 1, then it is unit step function. I am writing if. Now if a is equal to 1, then your signal will be x of t, which is equal to u of t, and it is known as unit step, because amplitude is 1 unity, so it is known as unit step function or unit step signal, guys. Unit step function or unit step signal. So graphically, mathematically, x of t is equal to u of t, which is equal to amplitude is 1 for t greater than 0 and it is 0 for t less than 0. Again you can see here there is discontinuity in amplitude at t equal to 0. That's why t equal to 0, amplitude is not defined. There is sudden change in. Here you can see there is a step. So that's why step function, guys. You can see here there is a step at t equal to 0. There is a step. It looks like staircase or step. That's why step function name. So here graphically it will be like this. This is u of t. So for t greater than 0, amplitude is 1, and for t less than 0, amplitude is 0. Again at t equal to 0, there is a sudden change in amplitude. Amplitude is 1. As amplitude 1, it is known as unit step function. So what we can write here, guys? For a note is what? What is note? So note is at t equal to 0, amplitude is not defined at t equal to 0, because there is a sudden change in amplitude, there is a discontinuity in amplitude, guys. At t equal to 0, there is sudden sudden change, there is sudden change in amplitude. So amplitude, there is discontinued amplitude. Amplitude is not defined, not defined at t equal to. Okay. Now this amplitude can be negative also, guys. This amplitude can be negative also. Now suppose I am asking to draw. Any doubt in previous basic function? Any doubt in previous one? So what is next? So now suppose I am asking to draw x of t is equal to u of minus t, guys. Suppose I am asking draw u of minus t. Okay, now t become minus t. So how to draw this? So as u of t, we know that u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0. Now if you replace left hand side, left of this equal to, guys. So left hand side you are replacing t with minus t. Left hand side you are replacing this t with minus t. So of course right hand side also everywhere right hand side also you have to replace t with minus t, of course. Then and then left side equal to right side. Left hand side you are replacing t with minus t. So right hand side also you have to do the same changes. That means you have to replace t with minus t everywhere. So here minus t greater than 0. Now multiply minus both the sign, then there is a change in inequality. So it will be 1 now for t less than 0, and of course it will be 0 for t greater than 0. So this is what u of minus t mathematically. Now graphically, how it looks graphically, guys. So here this is t, and now see guys, now see for t less than 0 it is 1, guys, and for t greater than 0 it is 0, amplitude is 0. So we can say time reversal, or we can say folding with respect to y axis. You can see here this is what u of minus t, amplitude is 1, guys. So observe u of minus t and observe u of t, guys. So can we say folding with respect to y axis of u of t is nothing but u of minus t. Time reversal, positive time become negative, negative become positive. Okay. So here we got this is u of minus t. Now suppose I am asking to draw x of t which is equal to u of t plus u of minus t, then what will happen? So first draw u of t, then draw u of minus t. You have to do amplitude addition parallelly. So this is u of t, here I am drawing u of minus t. T, guys. Okay. Here I am drawing u of t, guys. Origin, this is origin, and this is u of minus t. Correct? So u of t is nothing but it is 1 for t greater than 0. It is 1 for t greater than 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. At t equal to 0, there is sudden change in amplitude. Okay. And here it is 0. It is 0 for t less than 0. Sorry, it is 1 for t less than 0, and it is 0 for t greater than 0. Correct? Is t greater than 0. Amplitude is 1, 1. This is t less than 0. So if you add these two signals, then what will be the resultant signal? Let's make addition of what will be the resultant signal. So t equal to 0, what will happen? The resultant signal x of t which is nothing but q of t plus q of minus t. Okay, this is for t greater than 0, t less than 0. Now observe for t greater than 0, guys. So for t greater than 0, you can see, guys, now for t greater than 0, this amplitude is 1 and here amplitude is 0, guys. So this is 1 amplitude is 1 and amplitude is 0. So 1 plus 0, here it is 1, guys, for t greater than 0. And similar manner, in the similar manner, for t less than 0, here amplitude is 0 and here amplitude is 1, guys, correct, for t less than 0. So for t less than 0, again 0 plus 1, it is nothing but again 1. So you will get 1 for all t, 1 for all t. At t equal to 0, here there is discontinuity, here also there is discontinuity at t equal to 0, but after addition there is no discontinuity at any point. It will be amplitude will be continuous for all the time, that is amplitude is 1 for all t. Okay, so the resultant signal will be the resultant signal will be is 1 for all, is 1 for all t. Now there is no discontinuity in amplitude, guys, there is no discontinuity in amplitude. So resultant is x of t, guys, x of t, here you can write. So u of t, first result, u of t plus u of minus t, it is 1 for all t, and now there is no discontinuity. There is no discontinuity in amplitude. Is this clear? Any doubt in this, guys? Tell me. Any doubt in this? I hope this thing is clear to each and every student. I hope this is clear to each and every student. Okay, there is no discontinuity in amplitude. So this is very much important result. Now see the observation. See the observation. We got u of t plus u of minus t, which is equal to 1 for t, 1 for all t. Now put t equal to 0, guys. Put t equal to 0, and it will be u of 0 plus u of minus 0, which is equal to 1. So here, now plus 0 minus 0 both same. So u of 0 plus this is also u of 0 is equal to 1. So this is 2 times u of 0, which is equal to 1. So this indicates u of 0, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. So here we can say u of t value practically we can say at t equal to 0, it is half average of maximum and minimum, guys. It is nothing but average of maximum amplitude at t equal to 0 and minimum amplitude at t equal to 0. You can see, guys, average of maximum amplitude at t equal to 0 and minimum amplitude at t equal to 0. Here see, maximum amplitude at t equal to 0, there is sudden change in amplitude, there is discontinuity. Then practically what you have to take, first priority is what? Not defined, and second priority at t equal to 0, there is discontinuity. So what should be amplitude? So maximum amplitude is 1, minimum amplitude is 0. Maximum amplitude is 1 and the minimum amplitude is 0. So you have to take average of this 1 and 0, average of maximum and minimum. Okay, average of maximum minimum. So average of 1 and 0 is nothing but 1 by 2. So that's why we took here at t equal to 0. Actually it is not defined. But practically we are considering at t equal to 0, amplitude is 1 by 2. This is the second priority. First priority, amplitude is not defined wherever discontinuity amplitude is there, and second priority is what? You have to take average of maximum minimum at that discontinuity. So in general, suppose I am considering this step function, a into u of t amplitude is a, and here this is 0, and this is signal is nothing but a into u of t at t equal to 0. At t equal to 0, what we can take, guys? So this is equal to x of t at t equal to 0. X of 0, actually there is a sudden change in amplitude from 0 to a. So first priority amplitude is not defined, but as I told you, we can take the average value of maximum and minimum, so it will be a by 2. This will be mentioned in the question. It will be mentioned in the question, don't worry. Okay. So here this is very much important. This thing is very much important. Starting amplitude, as we are moving from left to right, here this is 0, then again a, guys. So this is what? Step function, guys. This is what? Step function. Is this clear? Okay. Now next part, guys. Next, now suppose I am asking to draw one question. Let us now try this one. X of t is equal to 2 into u of t minus 3. 2 into u of t minus 3. How to draw this signal? Graphical representation of this signal. Okay. Now graphical representation of this signal. So here, so u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0. Now here it is 2 into u of t minus 3. So amplitude is now 2, guys. You can see amplitude is 2, and here you are replacing, left hand side will be equal to, you are replacing t with t minus 3. You are replacing t with t minus 3, and right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with t minus 3. So here you have to replace t with t minus 3. So now we can say this will start from t equal to 3, and amplitude will be 2 for t greater than 3, guys. So amplitude is 0 for t less than 3. Now you will get discontinuity at t equal to 3, guys. There is discontinuity amplitude at t equal to 3. So it will start 2 into u of t plus minus 3, so t minus 3. So it will start for t greater than 3, amplitude is 2, and for t less than 3, amplitude is 0. Here is 3, guys, and amplitude is, now there is discontinuity, there is sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 3, guys. Correct? Now suppose I am asking to draw, let us draw to yourself x of t is equal to minus 3 u of t plus 5. Draw this signal in your rough book. Draw this signal, guys. Now draw this signal. In the similar manner, try this question. Try yourself. Done? Inform me once if it is done, guys. So here in the similar manner we can say u of t will be 1, u of t is 1 for t greater than 0. Now it is minus 3 to u of t plus 5, which is equal to minus 3. Left hand side replacing t with t plus 5. So right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with t plus 5. T plus 5 greater than 0. So it will be minus 3 for t greater than minus 5. And of course it is 0 for t less than minus 5. Okay. Now here is starting from t equal to minus 5. So greater than t greater than minus 5, amplitude is minus 3 constant, and t less than minus 5, amplitude is 0. Okay. At t equal to minus 5 there is sudden change in amplitude. We are moving left to right. So amplitude is 0. Then there is a sudden change in amplitude from 0 to minus 3, guys. From 0 to minus 3, then going towards right side. You are moving from left to right. Okay, so it will be like this. So this is your x of t, guys. This is your x of t, correct? Now there is observation. So see, this is plus t here, here also plus t, guys. Variable, important shortcut and observation. Here plus t and here plus t. So if there is a plus t, then it goes towards right side from where it is starting, guys. Correct? So here plus t, so right side. Here plus c, right side, guys. Now here minus 3, that means it will start from 3 and going towards right side, correct? Why right side? Because plus t. Plus t, that means going towards right side, and it will start from the 3, guys. Minus 3, then it will start from 3 and going towards right side. Important shortcut. In similar manner, here plus t, plus 5 is there, so starts from minus 5 and will go towards right side, guys. Go right side because plus t is there. Okay. Now let me take one more question. So suppose I am asking to draw a 4 for u of minus t minus t, guys. Okay. Then here see. So directly I am writing 4 u of minus t minus 3, amplitude is 4. You are replacing t with minus t minus 3. So right hand also you have to replace t with minus t minus 3, correct? Okay. So which is equal to 4 for t less than minus 3. Okay. And it is 0 for t greater than minus 3. So graphically looks like this. Graphically it looks like this. So t less than minus 3 amplitude is here minus 3, guys. So t less than minus 3 amplitude is 4, guys. Okay. And t greater than minus 3 amplitude is 0. So sudden change in amplitude from 4 to 0, guys. Sudden change in amplitude from 4 to 0. Now it is going towards left side. See here, it is going towards left side, guys. Correct? Going towards left side, and here this is going towards right side. This signal is going towards right side. This signal also going towards right side, and here this signal going towards left side, guys. Why left side? Because minus t is there. Minus t is there, so that's why left side. And for plus t, it is going towards right side. Okay. Let me take one more question. So x of t is equal to, suppose I am writing 2 of minus t plus 5. Okay. Now see. So here 2 into u of minus t plus 5. So amplitude is 2. Replace left hand side, you replaced t with minus t plus 5. Right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with minus t plus 5 greater than 0. So it is 2 for t less than 5. It is 0 for t greater than 5. Correct? T greater than 5. T greater than 5. Let us mark this 5 here. So for t greater than 5, amplitude is 0. Amplitude is 0 for t greater than 5. And amplitude is 2 for t less than. Amplitude is 2 for t less than 5, and there is sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 5. So amplitude is. Now again, this signal also started from 5 and going towards left side like this. Started from 5 and going towards left side. So why going left side? Because minus t is there. Here also minus t, you can see. Minus t left side. Also minus t left side. Now here minus 3. So starting from minus, it's same. Minus 3 starting point will be minus 3. Here if it is left side, then starting point will be same. Minus 3, then minus 3. Here see, minus t left side. So plus 5. So it will start from plus 5 and going towards left side. So important shortcut is there. What is the shortcut? First of all, you have to decide whether it will go right side or left side from the starting point. How to decide? So sign of t. If it is plus t, you can see plus t and plus t, then definitely it will go towards the right side from the starting point. And if it is right side, then opposite side. Minus 3, then plus 3, plus 5, then minus 2. Opposite sign for the right side. Opposite sign for the right side and same sign for the left side. If it is minus t, then left side, minus t, then left side, and same sign. If it is minus 3, then starting from minus starting point will be minus 3, plus 5 starting point will be plus 5. Is shortcut clear? Is this shortcut clear? Plus t, right side, opposite sign, starting point opposite sign, correct? Plus t, right side, opposite sign. Okay. And here minus t, left side and same sign, starting point same sign. Is this shortcut clear? This shortcut clear? This is very much important shortcut. Now directly you can draw, guys. Clear? Okay. Now let us solve example directly with shortcut. Suppose I am asking, draw x of t is equal to minus 3 2 of minus t plus minus t minus 5. Now tell me, it will go, first of all tell me right side or left side. It will from the starting point, it will go right side or left side from the starting point. Right side or left side, tell me. Right side signal or left side signal from the starting point. Tell me, guys, right side or left side. The comment box. I am expecting answer from each and every student. First I will provide you the conventional method, then wherever shortcut is possible, definitely I will provide. Yes, left side. Why left side? Because minus t is there. So minus t, that's why left. And if it is left side, then starting point will be same. So what will be the starting point? Minus 5 or plus 5? Starting point. From where it will start? Starting point will be minus 5 or plus 5? Starting point, tell me, minus 5 or plus 5? Now left side, minus t, that's why left side. Starting point will same, minus 5. Minus 5, correct? Minus 5 starting point. What about amplitude? What about amplitude? What about amplitude? What about amplitude? Starts from the minus 5, correct, going towards left side, same side, and amplitude will be minus 3. So for less than minus 5, amplitude is minus 3, and greater than minus 5, amplitude is 0, correct? Sudden change in amplitude from minus 3, 0, guys. All of you got this answer? All of you got the same answer? All of you got the same answer? Yes, very good, guys. We got the same answer, correct? Now let us try one more question. X of t is equal to 4 u of t minus 7. So tell me, right side, left side, and starting point. Right side, left side, and the starting point. Right side, left side, and the starting point, guys. So plus t, guys, plus t. So right sided signal from the starting point, it will go towards right side. Right sided signal, correct? The amplitude is, sorry, right side signal, opposite sign, minus 7. So that's why plus 7. It starts from the plus 7, guys. Correct? Opposite side. If it is right side, the opposite side. That means right sided means what? For t greater than 0, t greater than 7, amplitude is 4. Amplitude is 4, and t less than 7, amplitude is 0, and there is a discontinuity at t equal to 7. There is discontinuity at t equal to 7. Clear? There is discontinuity at t equal to 7. Fine. Amplitude is. All of you got this? All of you got this answer? Yes. Right sided, and the starting point will be opposite sign. Opposite side means minus 7 is there. Then it will start from the 7 going towards right side. Sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 4, like this. Sudden change in, for amplitude always you have to see from left to side. For amplitude increasing, decreasing, always you have to see from left to side. If you see the left to side, left to right, then 0 to 4 guys. 0 to 4. Got it? Clear? This shortcut clear guys? Is this clear to each and everyone? Now, same shortcut will be applicable for the reverse type question also. Okay, till now, what we have seen. So, we are graphically representation of the signal. We are doing graphical representation of the signal from the mathematical equation. Correct? Mathematical representation of the signal is given and we are drawing it graphically. Now, reverse type of question. Graphical representation of the signal will be given and you have to write it mathematical expression you have to write. So, here I am writing write mathematical expression for given x of t or signal shown in the below figure. This is given. Same shortcut is applicable for the reverse type of question. Same shortcut is applicable for the reverse type of question. Yes. First, I will provide you the standard method, how to write it mathematically. Then, I will tell you the same shortcut also. Suppose this is -3, amplitude is 5. Now, see solution. So, x of t is equal to, it is 5 for t greater than -3. So, it will be 5 for t plus 5 greater than 0, correct, and it will be 0 for t plus 3 less than 0. Now, we know that q of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0 and it is 0 for t less than 0. So, see here this is t and here also t guys, and amplitude is 1. T greater than 0, this is greater than, here greater than, here also greater than guys. So, here this is t, here t plus 3. This is t, then here also t guys. So, if it is t plus 3, then it will be what? U of t plus 3 guys. Here t guys. Here t, then u of t. Then if t plus 3 is there, then it will be u of t plus 3 guys, and amplitude is 5. So, what we can write? X of t. Can we write like this? X of t is equal to, amplitude is 5 and instead of t, now we have to write t plus 3. Yes or no? After comparing. Compare always with standard format. First of all, convert into this format, greater than 0 format. Always convert this into greater than 0 format. See here, this is t greater than -3. It is not greater than 0. So, first of all, convert into this standard format, greater than 0 format. So, t plus 3 greater than 0. So, that is why here u of t plus 3 amplitude is 5. Clear? This is the standard method. This is the standard method guys. This is the standard method. Now, our shortcut also applicable here. So, according to the shortcut, you can use the shortcut also. SC means shortcut. So, x of t is equal to, you can use shortcut also guys. So, with shortcut also we can get the same answer. So, x of t. So, first of all, write amplitude. Amplitude is 5. Okay, amplitude is 5 and this is the step signal. So, that is why q of, correct. Now, going towards right side, that is why plus t, correct. Amplitude is 5, it is a step function, that is why u of, and right side, so that is why plus t. Now, right side plus t, that means opposite sign. So, this is -3. So, we have to write opposite sign, that is plus 3 guys, because right sided signal. Right sided signal is the opposite sign. So, -3 then plus 3, you can see we got the same answer. Got it? The same shortcut applicable in reverse type of question also. Got it guys? Understood this shortcut? Okay. Now, let us try one more question. Try yourself. So, this is is given, guys. So write this signal mathematically. Write the mathematical expression of this graphical representation of x of t. Write the mathematical expression in the form of standard signal. Step function, graphical representation is given. So tell me the correct answer. So use the same shortcut. Use the same shortcut, and I'm expecting answer from each and every student in the comment box. Tell me the correct answer. You can see here x of t is equal to, first of all, amplitude is -6, so write -6. The step function, that's why u of, now left side signal going towards left side, you can see here left side, guys, left side, that's why -t, and if it is left side then same sign. For the left side signal, same sign, starting point same sign, and right side opposite sign. So -5 is there, so we write -5, and I already told you the standard method, explained you the standard method also, guys. Okay, this is the standard method, and here I provided you the shortcut also, guys. Correct? With the help of shortcut you can save your time in exam, guys. Very good, guys. -6 u of -t -5. Now try this question, last question. Try this question. Try this question. Tell me the mathematical expression for this signal. Tell me the mathematical expression for this signal. Tell me the mathematical expression for this signal. Mathematical expression. So here x of t is equal, amplitude is 8, step function, that's why u of right side, that's why plus t, starting from -4, that's opposite sign, right side opposite sign. So 8 u of t plus 4, opposite sign, right sided, that's the opposite sign, -4, so that's why plus 4, correct, opposite sign. Got it? Opposite sign, guys. Fine. Now suppose I am asking x of t equal to, x of t to 2 of 3t, time scaling u of 3t, guys. Okay, so again same concept, again same method, same concept, same approach. We know u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. Now we are replacing t with 3t left hand side. We are replacing t with 3t, correct? And amplitude is 2, guys. Amplitude is 2, correct? Amplitude is 2. So replacing t with 3t left hand side, right hand side also everywhere amplitude is 2, right hand side also everywhere t become 3t. Left hand side this t become 3t, right hand side also left hand side t become 3t, right hand side also everywhere t become 3t, guys. Here 3t greater than 0, it will be 2. This contains t greater than 0, which is equal to for t less than 0. Okay, so can we say nothing but what? Can we say nothing but what, guys? Nothing but 2 into u of t. Can we say like this? Correct? Observe this. 2 into u of t, guys, amplitude 2 and t greater than 0 into u of t. So finally one property we'll get from this is nothing but what? 2 times 2 of t. Here this is 3t, again t guys. So in general property, one property will get property of this step function. Can we write like this? U of kt, where k is any scaling factor. Where k is any scaling factor, it can be positive, it can be negative, correct? So it will be here. It can be, sorry, it can be integer, it can be non-integer. So it will be u of t, u of t, where k is a scaling factor. K is scaling factor, scaling factor, any scaling factor. So this is very much important property, guys. Very much important property. Okay. Now see, suppose I am asking to draw. Suppose I am asking for x of t to 2 of ct minus 2, ct minus 2. So it will be see standard method first standard method. So here 2 times 2 of 3t minus 2. So left hand side you are replacing t with 3t minus 2. So right hand side also everywhere you have to replace t with 3t minus 2 greater than 0. So it will be 0, it will be 2 for t greater than 2 by 3, correct? And it will be 0 for t less than 2 by 3. So what you can write? Instead of this, what you can write, guys? Can you write like this? It's starting from 2 by 3, 2 times step function t minus 2 by 3. Can you write like this? T minus 2 by 3, guys. Can you write like this? T minus 2 by 3. So what actually we got? We got 2 times u of 3t minus 2, guys. Scaling factor is 3. But directly you cannot remove scaling factor. First of all, you have to take common. You have to take scaling factor common. Correct? Like this. First of all, before removing from this property, we can say we can remove the scaling factor k. But in this type of question, before removing, first of all you have to take scaling factor common, and then now you can remove, guys. Now if you remove, then you will get the same answer. Now you can remove the scaling factor. So this is very much important observation. Got it? This is very much important observation. Is this clear? It's a very much important observation. Got it? Any doubt in this? It's a very much important observation, guys. Okay. So what we can write here, guys? We can write like this. Important property again. Property, guys. So property of step function is nothing but q of, suppose kt minus b I am writing. So it will be, you can remove the scaling factor k, but first of all you have to take k common, and it will be b minus b by k, where b and k constant, b and k constant. So this is very much important property of the step function. Important property of the step function. K can be positive, negative, integer, non-integer. Similarly, b can be positive, negative, integer, non-integer. Okay. So this is very much important property of the step function. Any doubt till here, guys? Tell me, any doubt? Any doubt? Done? Clear? If you have doubt, then please write in the comment box, chat box. Now suppose we want to add 2 step signals, then what will be the resultant signal? Suppose I am asking to draw x of t is equal to, just wait for a minute. Okay, so here x of t, let us draw. Suppose I am asking to draw x of t is equal to चलिए, so here x of t is equal to, suppose u of t plus 2 times u of t, t minus 2. So first I will tell you the standard conventional method, then I will provide you shortcut also. With the help of shortcut, within no time you can get the correct answer. So we want to add these two signal, you can subtract these two also. So first of all, draw u of t, then u of t minus 2, then addition of these two signals. Okay, you can do the subtraction also and perform the subtraction also. This is u of t, this is to u of t minus 2. U of t starts from t equal to 0, starts from t equal to 0, 1, right side, fine. This is u of t, and u of t minus 2 will start from t equal to 2 opposite side and going towards right side, guys, like this. Amplitude, same amplitude is correct. This is 2 times u of t minus 2. Now if you add these two signals, then what will be the resultant signal? Here this is equal to. Now observe for t less than 0, guys. T less than 0. So t less than 0, guys, you can see here. For t less than 0, here amplitude is 0 and here amplitude is 0, guys. For t less than 0, so 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0, guys. Now between 0 and 2, guys, here amplitude is 1, here amplitude is 0, guys. Between 0 and 2, amplitude is 1, here 0. So 1 plus 0, it is nothing but 1, guys, between 0 and 2. Now greater than 2, guys, for the greater than 2, amplitude is 1 and here amplitude is 2, guys, correct. Greater than 2, guys, here amplitude is 1 and here amplitude is 2. So 1 plus 2, it is nothing but 3, guys. 1 plus 2, it is nothing but 3, correct. Okay, so this amplitude is 3 and this amplitude 1, here sudden change, here sudden change. Got it? So this will be the resultant signal. So let me write properly. So for t less than 0, 0 plus 0, it is 0, guys. Right? Between 0 and 2, 1 plus 0, 1, and greater than 2, 1 plus 2, amplitude is 3, guys. And here sudden change at t equal to 0, step is present, that's why sudden change. At t equal to 2, one more step is present, that's why sudden change. So wherever step function is present, of course there is a change in the amplitude or sudden change in amplitude. See, this step is present at t equal to 0, so that's why there will be sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 0. This step is present at t equal to 2, that's why there is a sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 2. So wherever step function is present, at that instant of time, sudden change in amplitude will be there. Or we can say, if at any particular instant of time, if there is a sudden change, then at that instant step function will be present, correct, will present. So here this amplitude is 1, is 3, guys, and the resultant signal is x of t. Resultant signal is x of t, the resultant signal. Any doubt in this? Tell me, guys. Any doubt in this signal addition? In the similar manner, you can do the subtraction also. Guys. Okay, you can perform the subtraction also. Let us do the subtraction. Suppose minus sign, minus, guys, minus here, Now see what will be the correct answer for this. The amplitude is okay. So again t less than 0. Now subtraction guys. 0 minus 0 is 0 guys. Correct? For t less than 0. Between 0 and 2 guys. Here amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is 0. So 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 amplitude is what? 1 guys. 1 correct? Now for t greater than 2 guys. Here amplitude is 1. Here amplitude is 1 guys. And t greater than 0. Here amplitude is 2. So 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 amplitude is minus 1. Correct? Amplitude is minus 1. Got it guys? 0, see here all of you again here 0 minus 0 amplitude is 0, 1 minus 0 amplitude is 1, here 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. Got it? Here in this manner we can understand. This is the standard method. Shortcut also we will see. Here amplitude is 1, this amplitude is minus 1. Again see at t equal to 0 step is present, that's why sudden change in amplitude from 1 to 0. At t equal to 2 step is present, that's why sudden change in amplitude from 1 to minus 1. Right? 1 to minus 1. So here sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 1. Here sudden change in amplitude from 1 to minus 1 at t equal to 2. Got it? Here. So this is what signal subtraction guys. Fine. Any doubt in this? Any doubt till here guys? Any doubt? Now direct method guys. Directly also you can guys. Direct method. So again same thing, x of t at of t plus times of t minus 2. So this step starts from equal to 0. That step starts from. So you will get sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 0. You will get sudden change in amplitude at t equal to 2 also guys. Directly also we can do. So at origin step function is present t equal to 0, at t equal to 2 step function is here 2 of t is present, and here 2 times 2 of t minus 2 is okay. So less than 0 of course 0 guys, and now first is u of t. So u of t amplitude 1 and it maintain 1 till next signal guys. Next signal. Okay, amplitude is 1 guys. First u of t starting point. Okay, amplitude is 1 and it will constant 1 for next signal. Now you can see guys, here amplitude is 1. Now at t equal to 2, one more step function is coming. We are adding one more step function at t equal to 2. So already we have amplitude 1 and one more step function having amplitude 2. So what will be the next amplitude? Previous amplitude is 1. Like see, here previous amplitude is 0. Previous amplitude is 0. At t equal to 0, present amplitude is 1. So 0 plus 1, next amplitude is 1. Correct? Now here not. Yeah, of course. Now here at t equal to 2, here see amplitude is 1. Correct? Previous amplitude is 1. At t equal to 2, one more step function is coming having amplitude 2. What will be the next amplitude? So 1 present plus previous plus present. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3 guys. So here from t greater than 2, amplitude will be 3 guys. Amplitude will be 3. Amplitude will be 3 till t equal to infinite. Here amplitude 3 guys. Correct? So in this manner directly we can draw graphically. Is this clear? Is this clear guys? Fine, done. Let us take one more question. suppose I'm asking to draw one more question. Suppose I'm asking to draw of t. Wow. T plus 1 minus of t plus t of t minus 3. So, one sudden change at t equal to minus 1, one more sudden change at t equal to 0, more sudden change, correct, t equal to 3. So, here so t equal to minus 1, t equal to 0 and t equal to 3 guys. Okay. So, for t less than minus 1, of course, at t equal to minus 1, one step signal is starting having amplitude guys, amplitude 2, maintains amplitude to next signal. So, next signal is present at t equal to, correct, next signal is present at t equal to 0. Here amplitude is 2 guys, amplitude is 2, correct. Now, at t equal to 0, one more step function is coming having amplitude is minus 1. Here one more step function is present having amplitude minus 1. So, previous amplitude is 2, present amplitude is minus 1. So, what will be the next amplitude? 2 minus 1, it will be 1, amplitude will be 1 guys, amplitude be 1 and amplitude is 1 till next signal. It will maintain constant amplitude 1 till next signal. So, here amplitude is 1, correct, 1 till next signal. Now, at t equal to 3 guys, here amplitude is 1 till next signal. At t equal to 3, one more step function is coming having amplitude 3 guys. So, previous amplitude is 1, at t equal to 3, step function having amplitude is present amplitude is 3, previous amplitude is present amplitude is 3, previous amplitude is 1. So, what will be the next amplitude? So, 1 plus 3, so next amplitude will be 4 guys, next amplitude t greater than 3, it will be 4. Again here sudden change from 2 to 1, here sudden change from 1 to 3 guys, here sudden change in amplitude, here sudden change in amplitude from 1 3, here sudden change in amplitude from 2 to 1, correct, to 1, and here 1 plus 3, sorry, it is 4 guys, my mistake, here it is 4, it is correct, 1 plus 3, it is 4 guys. So, here sudden change in amplitude from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, here sudden change in amplitude from 2 to 1, here sudden change in amplitude. This is clear, fine. Any doubt in this? Okay, let me explain you one more time. So, at t equal to minus 1, step function having amplitude 2. So, previous amplitude is 0, less than t minus 1, no signal is present, so 0. At t less than minus 1, amplitude is 0. Now, at t equal to minus 1, one more step function is coming, so present amplitude is 2. So, previous amplitude is 0 plus 2, next amplitude will be 2. So, for t greater than minus 1, amplitude will be 2 till next signal. Now, at t equal to 0, one more step function having amplitude minus 1. So, previous amplitude 2, present amplitude is minus 1. So, 2 minus 1, it is 1 guys. So, amplitude is 1 till next signal. At t equal to 3, one more step function having amplitude 3. So, previous plus present. So, 1 plus 3, amplitude is t greater than 3. Is this clear now? Tell me. Any doubt? Any doubt now? Tell me. Any doubt? Fine. Clear now? Tell me class. Clear now? Okay, fine. So, let us finish this lecture here. In next part, we will solve more question like this, okay, more question like this, and I will start the next standard signal, rectangle function or gate function, or it is also known as pipe function. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much. watching me live on Wallah, and please provide your valuable feedback in comment box after completion of this session. And next part we will continue subsequent module. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.